begin to roll the dough. We're going to make cookies. And now we'll be rolling the dough. Now we'll be cutting the dough with a cookie cutter. You can press in any shape that you want in the middle. I'll be using a star. You can use any other shape too. Hello again! These cookies are fresh from the oven. It smells so good I could just take a bite, but they're too hot, so I'll wait until later. Now I'll be dusting these cookies with some icing sugar. Yum! Now I'll be putting the icing sugared cookies on top of the jam ones. It actually feels kind of satisfying.